just from what you drank last night. This idea may seem almost magical at first, but it's rooted in the way our bodies repair themselves during sleep, particularly in seniors. While many people view sleep simply as a period of rest, it is actually a highly active time when the brain and body perform essential maintenance. During the night, neurons, the cells that make up the brain, undergo repair, synapses are strengthened, and toxic byproducts that accumulate during the day are cleared out. The glymphatic system, a network of channels in the brain, becomes especially active during deep sleep, flushing away waste proteins that, if left to build up, can affect memory and cognitive function. Studies from the National Institutes of Health, NIH, highlight that poor sleep in older adults is associated with increased cognitive decline and reduced memory performance, making the quality of nighttime routines crucial for mental sharpness. Similarly, the eyes undergo their own restorative processes while we sleep. The retina, the light-sensitive layer at the back of the eye, relies on nutrients to maintain optimal function. During the day, exposure to light and oxidative stress from environmental factors can create microdamage in retinal cells. At night, the body works to repair these cells, replenish essential pigments like rhodopsin, and maintain the structural integrity needed for clear vision. According to research summarized by the Mayo Clinic, nutrients such as vitamins A, C, and E, as well as antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, play a key role in supporting retinal health. This is why what we consume before bed, especially nutrient-rich juices, can influence these processes. Many seniors make the common mistake of thinking that food or drink timing doesn't matter, or they prioritize heavier meals and late snacks that may disrupt sleep or compete for metabolic resources, ultimately reducing the efficiency of brain and eye repair. Incorporating juices rich in specific nutrients before bedtime offers a simple and practical way to support this overnight restoration. For example, berries contain flavonoids that promote blood flow to the brain, while carrots and leafy greens provide beta-carotene and lutein to nourish the eyes. By drinking these juices in the evening, the body receives a concentrated source of compounds that are readily available for absorption, while the digestive system is not overburdened by large meals. Harvard Health explains that polyphenols found in fruits and vegetables improve neuronal signaling and may help reduce the risk of cognitive decline. These compounds act like tiny repair workers, traveling through the bloodstream to support cellular function, enhance oxygen delivery, and help clear free radicals that contribute to oxidative stress. In other words, the juice acts as a targeted boost to the natural repair mechanisms already in motion while you sleep. Lifestyle habits also play a critical role in maximizing these benefits. Sleep quality, stress management, and movement throughout the day can either enhance or hinder nutrient absorption and repair. Seniors often face disrupted sleep patterns due to irregular routines or medical conditions, which can limit the brain's ability to consolidate memories and the eye's ability to recover from daily strain. Simple practices, such as maintaining consistent sleep and wake times, limiting late-night screen exposure, and engaging in light physical activity during the day, can significantly improve the effectiveness of nutrient intake at night. Combining these habits with pre-bedtime juices creates a synergistic effect. The nutrients provide raw materials for repair, while the optimized routine ensures the body can use them efficiently. It is also important to note that while these juices are generally safe, individual differences in digestion, blood sugar regulation, and possible interactions with medications mean that seniors should always consider personal health conditions and, if needed, consult with a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes. This natural caution is crucial because even nutrient-rich drinks can have unintended effects if combined with certain prescriptions or chronic conditions. Incorporating juices thoughtfully as part of a balanced and mindful evening routine can support memory retention and eye health over time rather than producing instant results. Finally, understanding the connection between sleep, nutrient timing, and cognitive and visual restoration sets the stage for exploring specific juices and combinations that have the most impact. Later, we will see why certain berries, vegetables, and fruits are particularly effective and how pairing them strategically can amplify their benefits. By addressing common mistakes like heavy late meals or neglecting nutrient-dense options, seniors can make small but meaningful adjustments to their nightly habits, ultimately supporting sharper thinking and clearer vision. This holistic approach highlights that the body's natural repair processes are not only influenced by sleep itself, but by the nutrients and lifestyle choices that accompany it, making the evening hour a critical window for supporting both mind and eyes. Blueberries are more than just a sweet and convenient snack. They are a powerhouse of nutrients that support brain health, particularly memory function, which becomes increasingly important as we age. The primary compounds responsible for these benefits are flavonoids, specifically a subclass called anthocyanins. These natural antioxidants help protect neurons from oxidative stress, which is essentially cellular rusting caused by free radicals. Oxidative stress can accumulate over time and contribute to cognitive decline, memory lapses, and even age-related neurodegenerative conditions. Research summarized by Harvard Health highlights that diets rich in flavonoid-containing fruits like blueberries are associated with slower rates of cognitive aging and improved memory performance in older adults. This effect occurs because flavonoids enhance communication between neurons, improve blood flow in the brain, and support the brain's internal antioxidant defenses. In simple terms, think of neurons as a city's electrical network. Flavonoids help maintain clear connections, reduce signal interference, and ensure messages travel quickly and efficiently. A common mistake seniors make is relying on stimulants such as coffee or energy drinks late in the day to sharpen focus or improve alertness. While caffeine may temporarily boost attention, it can constrict blood vessels and disrupt sleep quality, indirectly hindering the brain's natural overnight repair processes. Blueberry juice, in contrast, works quietly in the background, providing nutrients that aid the glymphatic system, the brain's waste-clearing network, to function more efficiently during sleep. The glymphatic system clears proteins and cellular debris that, if accumulated, may impair memory and cognitive clarity. By sipping a blueberry-based juice in the evening, seniors supply the brain with compounds that optimize this cleaning process, supporting memory consolidation while minimizing potential sleep disruption. Another advantage of blueberries is their positive effect on vascular health. The brain relies on a constant, steady supply of oxygen and nutrients delivered through blood vessels. Flavonoids improve endothelial function, the health of blood vessel linings, promoting better blood flow to critical regions like the hippocampus, which is central to memory formation. According to studies published on PubMed, individuals who consume flavonoid-rich foods regularly demonstrate enhanced cerebral blood flow and improved performance on memory-related tasks. This makes blueberries especially valuable for seniors whose vascular systems often face age-related stiffening or narrowing that can limit oxygen delivery. By improving circulation, blueberry juice supports both immediate cognitive function and long-term brain resilience. Many people also overlook the synergistic effects of combining blueberries with other fruits. For instance, pairing blueberries with apples can increase antioxidant activity and enhance nutrient absorption. Apples contain quercetin, another flavonoid that complements the anthocyanins in blueberries, reinforcing their protective effects on neurons and blood vessels. Harvard Health emphasizes that such combinations can amplify benefits beyond what a single fruit can provide, much like how multiple team members working together solve a problem more efficiently than one working alone. Incorporating these combinations into an evening juice provides a potent, easy-to-digest nutrient source that aligns perfectly with the body's natural repair processes during sleep. Seniors often make the mistake of skipping evening nutrition entirely, assuming that meals during the day are sufficient. However, the timing of nutrient intake can influence how effectively the body uses these compounds during the night. Consuming a small, flavonoid-rich juice before bed allows the body to access antioxidants and neuroprotective nutrients when the brain is actively consolidating memories. Research from the National Institutes of Health suggests that the availability of certain polyphenols during sleep can support synaptic plasticity, the ability of neurons to form and strengthen connections, which is fundamental for learning and memory. This illustrates why evening consumption of blueberry juice, rather than only during breakfast or lunch, can be particularly beneficial for cognitive maintenance in older adults. Finally, it is important to note that while blueberry juice is generally safe, seniors should be mindful of sugar content or interactions with medications, especially if managing blood sugar or taking anticoagulants. Simple adjustments, like blending whole blueberries with water or combining them with a low-sugar fruit, can maximize benefits without overloading the system. Later, we will see how pairing blueberry juice with other nutrient-dense juices can also support eye health, creating a comprehensive approach that strengthens both memory and vision simultaneously. This combination of flavonoid-rich fruit, strategic timing, and thoughtful lifestyle choices highlights a practical, science-backed method for enhancing cognitive clarity while asleep. Carrots and citrus fruits create a powerful combination that supports eye health, especially in seniors who may notice subtle declines in visual acuity over time. Carrots are well known for their high beta-carotene content, a type of carotenoid that the body converts into vitamin A, an essential nutrient for maintaining healthy vision. Vitamin A plays a critical role in forming rhodopsin, a pigment in the retina that helps the eyes detect light and adjust to darkness. According to the Mayo Clinic, insufficient vitamin A can lead to night vision difficulties and gradual visual decline. Many seniors make the common mistake of assuming that occasional carrot consumption is enough, or that supplements alone can replace natural sources of nutrients. However, eating beta-carotene-rich foods consistently and pairing them with other nutrients that enhance absorption ensures the body can fully utilize these compounds. For example, a small amount of healthy fat in a juice or meal helps beta-carotene convert more efficiently into vitamin A, supporting clearer, more responsive vision over time. Citrus fruits, including oranges, lemons, and grapefruits, bring a high concentration of vitamin C into the mix, which provides additional support for eye health. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that protects the delicate blood vessels in the eyes and helps maintain the structural proteins like collagen that support the cornea and lens. The National Institutes of Health, NIH, highlight that antioxidants such as vitamin C reduce oxidative stress in ocular tissues, which naturally increases with age due to cumulative light exposure, environmental pollutants, and normal cellular metabolism. A common mistake is relying solely on beta-carotene-rich foods while neglecting vitamin C sources, which limits the synergistic protection the eyes receive. Combining carrots and citrus allows seniors to provide both essential pigments for retinal function and antioxidants that reinforce structural support, creating a more comprehensive strategy for maintaining healthy vision. The interaction between beta-carotene and vitamin C illustrates the concept of nutrient synergy, which means that some nutrients work more effectively together than in isolation. When beta-carotene and vitamin C are consumed together, vitamin C protects the carotenoids from oxidative damage in the digestive tract and bloodstream, enhancing their delivery to the eyes and retina. This process ensures that more of the active form of vitamin A reaches the tissues that need it, reinforcing visual performance. Harvard Health points out that consuming whole foods in combination, rather than relying on individual supplements, often provides better absorption and more consistent benefits. Imagine the retina like a high-performance camera lens. Beta-carotene sharpens the image, while vitamin C strengthens the internal support structures and protects against long-term wear and tear. Over time, this combination supports the eye's ability to focus, track motion, and adapt to changing light conditions, which are all critical for daily activities and overall quality of life. Seniors often underestimate the importance of diet timing and food pairing when it comes to eye health. Consuming a juice made from carrots and citrus in the evening can provide nutrients at a time when the body is naturally in repair mode. During sleep, the retinal cells replenish pigments and repair micro damage from daily light exposure. If antioxidants and precursors like beta-carotene are available in the bloodstream during this period, the eyes can more effectively complete these restorative processes. The Mayo Clinic emphasizes that nutrients supporting eye health are most effective when included consistently in a balanced diet, rather than sporadically or in isolated doses. Many people make the mistake of consuming these nutrients only during the day, missing the opportunity to align nutrient availability with the body's natural repair cycles at night. Adding small amounts of complementary ingredients, such as a pinch of ginger or turmeric, can enhance the anti-inflammatory potential of this juice. Chronic low-grade inflammation is common in aging eyes and can contribute to conditions like macular degeneration or cataract development. PubMed research indicates that natural compounds in ginger and turmeric support vascular and cellular health, which further aids nutrient delivery to ocular tissues. Seniors who incorporate these simple additions into a carrot citrus juice routine can provide the eyes with a multi-layered support system, nutrients, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds, all working together to maintain visual clarity. Another frequent mistake is assuming that juices alone will suffice without lifestyle considerations. Maintaining healthy sleep patterns, limiting prolonged screen exposure before bed, and staying hydrated all enhance the benefits of nutrient-rich juices. By pairing carrot and citrus juices with light evening routines, such as gentle stretching or reading under soft light, seniors can maximize both retinal and cognitive restoration. Later, we will explore how integrating this eye-supporting juice with other brain-focused juices can create a holistic nighttime strategy that simultaneously benefits memory, circulation, and vision. Understanding this synergy emphasizes that maintaining eye health is not a single action task, but a series of coordinated habits supported by science-backed nutrition and lifestyle choices. Beets and pomegranates might not be the first foods that come to mind when thinking about vision and memory, but these vibrant, nutrient-rich ingredients play a surprisingly important role in supporting circulation and cognitive clarity, particularly for seniors. Beets are naturally high in dietary nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide, a molecule that relaxes and dilates blood vessels, improving blood flow throughout the body, including the brain and eyes. Improved circulation ensures that neurons receive a steady supply of oxygen and essential nutrients, while metabolic waste is efficiently removed. According to research summarized by the National Institutes of Health, NIH, nitric oxide production supports vascular health and enhances cognitive function, making beets an excellent dietary addition for older adults. Pomegranates, on the other hand, are rich in antioxidants, particularly polyphenols, which help protect cells from oxidative stress, reduce inflammation, and maintain the integrity of blood vessels. Oxidative stress and inflammation are two key factors that contribute to cognitive decline and age-related visual impairments, as noted by studies cited by PubMed. Together, beets and pomegranates provide a dual mechanism. Beets improve the delivery system, while pomegranates protect and reinforce the tissues receiving the nutrients. A common mistake many seniors make is relying on stimulants such as coffee or energy drinks in the evening to boost focus or alertness. While caffeine may provide temporary mental sharpness, it constricts blood vessels, potentially reducing oxygen and nutrient flow to the brain and eyes. This can inadvertently hinder the natural restorative processes that occur during sleep, including memory consolidation and retinal repair. In contrast, drinking beet pomegranate juice in the evening can support these processes without causing sleep disruptions. The combination provides the body with compounds that optimize blood flow and protect delicate cells while the body enters its nightly repair cycle. Harvard Health explains that consistent dietary strategies that improve vascular function can significantly enhance both cognitive performance and overall brain health in aging adults. By choosing foods that support circulation rather than constrict it, seniors create an internal environment where the brain and eyes can function more efficiently during sleep. The benefits of this juice are amplified when paired with light evening movement or mindfulness practices. Simple activities like a short walk, gentle stretching, or deep breathing exercises increase circulation and oxygen delivery, enhancing the effectiveness of the nutrients from the juice. According to the Cleveland Clinic, Physical activity in moderation not only supports vascular health, but also improves sleep quality and memory consolidation. Many seniors underestimate the value of combining nutritional strategies with movement, assuming that diet alone is sufficient. However, integrating even small bouts of activity with beet pomegranate juice intake helps ensure that the nitric oxide and antioxidants reach target tissues efficiently, supporting both cognitive clarity and visual health. Pomegranates provide more than just antioxidant protection. They also support endothelial function, which is critical for maintaining healthy blood vessels. Healthy endothelium, the inner lining of blood vessels, ensures smooth blood flow and helps regulate pressure, both of which are essential for optimal nutrient delivery to the retina and the brain. Age-related endothelial dysfunction can lead to reduced circulation, which diminishes oxygen supply and slows the delivery of neuroprotective compounds. PubMed research highlights that polyphenol-rich foods like pomegranate help maintain endothelial health and reduce markers of inflammation, further promoting overall vascular and cognitive function. This dual approach, improving circulation with beets and protecting vessels with pomegranate, creates a synergistic effect that enhances the body's natural repair processes during sleep. Timing and lifestyle factors also play a critical role in maximizing the benefits of this juice. Consuming beet pomegranate juice in the evening aligns nutrient availability with the body's natural repair cycles. When the glymphatic system clears waste from the brain and the retina replenishes photopigments. The National Institutes of Health notes that such alignment can improve memory retention and cognitive clarity in older adults. A frequent mistake is consuming these nutrients during the day without considering sleep cycles, which may reduce their effectiveness. By combining the juice with consistent sleep routines, reduced late-night screen exposure, and stress management, seniors can optimize vascular and neuronal repair simultaneously. Finally, it is important to remember that while beet and pomegranate juice is generally safe, seniors should consider potential interactions with medications, particularly those affecting blood pressure or blood thinning. This natural caution ensures safety while still allowing the body to benefit from improved circulation and antioxidant protection. Later, we will explore how pairing this juice with other nutrient-rich combinations can create a holistic nighttime regimen that supports both brain and eye health. Understanding the interplay between nutrition, circulation, and cellular repair emphasizes that simple, science-backed dietary choices can have a meaningful impact on memory and visual clarity over time. Spinach and kiwi are often overlooked when it comes to supporting vision and memory, yet these nutrient-rich foods provide key compounds that help maintain eye and brain health, especially in seniors. Spinach is high in lutein and zeaxanthin, carotenoids that accumulate in the retina and help filter harmful blue light, reduce oxidative stress, and support overall eye structure. According to the National Eye Institute, these compounds are linked to a lower risk of age-related macular degeneration and help preserve visual acuity over time. Kiwi, on the other hand, is an excellent source of vitamin C and other antioxidants that protect both retinal cells and neurons from free radical damage. Many older adults make the mistake of relying solely on supplements or occasional fruit intake, but consuming these nutrients through whole foods ensures better absorption and provides additional synergistic compounds that support cellular repair. Consuming spinach and kiwi together in a juice before bed aligns nutrient availability with the body's natural nighttime repair processes. During sleep, the retina replenishes photopigments and the brain consolidates memories, processes that are enhanced when antioxidants are present in the bloodstream. Research from PubMed indicates that diets rich in lutein, zeaxanthin, and vitamin C contribute not only to eye health, but also to cognitive performance, suggesting that this combination can support both memory and vision simultaneously. A common mistake is relying on sugary fruit juices or consuming these nutrients irregularly, which can spike blood sugar and reduce the long-term benefits. By blending spinach and kiwi, seniors provide a slow-releasing source of antioxidants that work throughout the night, complementing healthy sleep and reinforcing cellular repair. Additionally, pairing this juice with lifestyle habits like dim lighting before bed, consistent sleep schedules, and light evening movement can further enhance memory consolidation and retinal recovery. Harvard Health emphasizes that nutrients are most effective when combined with habits that reduce oxidative stress and support vascular and neuronal health. This makes spinach kiwi juice a practical, science-backed addition to a nightly routine aimed at maintaining mental clarity and visual health. Cherries and almond milk create a gentle, sleep-supporting combination that benefits both brain and eye health, particularly in seniors. Cherries are naturally rich in melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep-wake cycles. Adequate melatonin helps the body achieve deeper, more restorative sleep, which is essential for memory consolidation and cellular repair. During deep sleep, the brain's lymphatic system clears waste products that accumulate during the day, a process critical for maintaining cognitive clarity. The Cleveland Clinic emphasizes that proper sleep not only improves memory retention, but also supports retinal health by allowing photoreceptor cells to replenish and repair. Many seniors underestimate the role of sleep in maintaining vision and mental sharpness, assuming that diet alone is sufficient, but combining sleep-supportive foods with a healthy routine amplifies these natural processes. Almond milk adds healthy fats, vitamin E, and other antioxidants that protect cell membranes in the brain and retina from oxidative damage. Vitamin E, in particular, helps maintain the integrity of neurons and photoreceptor cells, which can otherwise be compromised by aging and environmental stressors. PubMed research indicates that antioxidants from dietary sources like almonds can slow age-related oxidative stress, supporting both cognitive and visual function over time. A common mistake is consuming high-sugar drinks or processed snacks before bed, which can disrupt sleep and counteract these benefits. Pairing cherries with almond milk creates a naturally low-sugar, nutrient-dense option that supports overnight repair without overloading the system. Timing and personal health considerations are also important. Seniors should be mindful of potential interactions with medications, such as anticoagulants, and consider individual digestion or blood sugar responses. When integrated into a holistic nighttime routine, including consistent sleep patterns, limited screen exposure, and gentle evening relaxation, this combination helps maximize the natural restoration of memory and vision. Harvard Health and NIH research both highlight that nutrient timing and sleep hygiene work together to enhance cognitive function